Alright everybody, today's episode is either replacing the whole window regulator and assembly on the 2007 Chevy Impala or just replacing whatever's broke. I got in the car, I had my windows cracked in this Texas heat, man. I pressed the button, let it up, I heard something snap, and the whole thing just fell down, man. So we finna take this bad boy off to see what the deal is. Alright, to start out with, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. I know I gotta pry this off. Gotta pry that off. Probably gotta take this up and pry off these, take out them two bolts. Might be another one, something under here. Yeah, pretty sure it's something under there too. It's always something. These American cars, boy, they ignorant, man. They make them cheap and make them complicated to work on. All behind nothing. Yeah, what I tell you. So we already know we're gonna need that T30 from doing the front window switch. And then what we got hiding behind here. All right, so just like the other day, you're gonna need 3 tools. You're gonna need this T30. You're gonna need your little drill or your ratchet or whatever you want to use to make it take all day. And then you're gonna need something to pry on, a little flathead screwdriver. So you got you got 2 T30s there, and then you got 1 T30 right there. Now this one is gonna be, you're gonna need a 932. So it looks like you're gonna need 4 tools. You know what I'm saying? 932. Again on this, you know, it's an old cheap plastic. You wanna pry that up and then get it in the middle. Probably gotta pull it back. Alright, so removing this door panel, you're gonna have to pry your screwdriver in here and pry out on it, because they got them plastic push pins in there that's in there real hard, so it's gonna take some little brute strength behind that. Same thing, man, they all the way around, like on every other car door. See there? And then you wanna lift up, because you gotta get it over this. All right, so you're gonna catch hell taking this door panel off. I'm gonna tell you that right now. First thing you gotta do is you gotta take your screwdriver and you gotta push these in on both sides. And then you gotta take your screwdriver and pull it out. But you're gonna have to take this door panel and lift it up and do a 360 with it. It's crazy. And then, once you get them out, you gotta reach your hand back up in there and squeeze this down and pull it out. It's complicated. It's typical GM crap, man. Then you gotta take your screwdriver and you gotta push these in, because they come right here. They own this. They in here in this old ignorant hole. And once you pull that back, then you just lift it straight up out of there. You lift it straight up out of there. And the whole thing come off. Now you get this crap. Yeah. what I heard that snapped was this. This little cheap plastic right here. See, look, that's what snapped and broke. It broke. So it wasn't the motor, it's the regulator. So what I'm gonna try to do, see the old sorry plastic that broke? That old crap. That looks like crap, man. I'm gonna try to let the window all the way up and then I'm gonna plug the motor, the window motor switch back up, just unplug it, and try to hold it in the up position. And I might not even replace this sucker, man. I hate dealing with windows, man. Well, that didn't work. So what I'm gonna have to do now is probably put a couple zip ties on it and go ahead and order that part from Rock Auto, cause the local parts places, man, they tripping. It's $35 on Rock Auto. They talking about somewhere in the hundreds, man. They ignorant. They ain't finna do that. All right, so check this out. Since everybody want about $300 for they want $100 for the window regulator, and they want $69 for the window motor, and then they want almost $300 for the whole thing. But I can get it with shipping included for $50 at Rock Auto. So I'm just gonna do that. So where's your screwdriver in here? Now I'm finna go get a zip tie, and I'm gonna wrap that zip tie around this and come through this hole and hold the window up till my package get here. See the window up. See that? Save me $250. All right, so remember, this is all you need. You're gonna need a flathead, a T30, a 10mm, your little pocket knife, and your drill. And that's what you need to replace the window motor and regulator on the 2007 Chevy Impala.